Hello everyone. Today, physicists believe that the entire world is governed by four main forces. Gravity, which keeps us firmly attached to the Earth and governs the path of the planets and stars. Electromagnetism, weak nuclear force, which is responsible for nuclear reactions, and strong nuclear force, which binds together the particles inside the nucleus of the atom. While all of these forces seem completely separate on an everyday basis at regular low energies, the Pakistani physicist Mohammad Abdus Salam and his colleagues found out two of these forces actually were two aspects of the same force. Mohammad was born and raised in Jhang, Pakistan. He grew up in very modest circumstances, being one of 8 siblings. It was his brilliant mind that allowed him, at the age of 14, to score highest in his university entrance exam. A feat that even the shopkeepers that lined his way back home knew to appreciate. It was their effort to keep their shops open through the siesta hours and to congratulate him that made the biggest impression on his mind. His intelligence spoke for itself, publishing his first paper in mathematics at the age of 16 and graduating with his bachelor's degree in mathematics while he was 17. These successes secured him one of the last scholarships to study abroad and a spot at Cambridge University. Years later, Abdus Salam accepted a professorship at Imperial College in London, where in his words, he put together one of the world's best theoretical physics groups. He also set up the very first nuclear power plant in Pakistan with other Canadian and Pakistani engineers. His contribution to the electroweak unification theory was enough to win him the joint Nobel Prize in physics in 1979. The idea essentially was that after the Big Bang, the universe was so hot that electromagnetic and weak nuclear forces were actually a single electroweak force and only broke apart when the universe cooled down. This theory helped many physicists formulate their own consecutive theories and claim that all four forces must have been combined at some point. However, through all his achievements, Muhammad never lost his main goal out of sight: to help science and scientists flourish. An example is the Abdus Salam International Center for Theoretical Physics in Italy, which he founded in 1964. Oftentimes, he paid out of his own pocket to sponsor scientists in less developed countries because he believed that a world divided between the haves and have-nots of science and technology cannot endure in equilibrium. It is our duty to redress this inequality. So yes, Abdus Salam could be called a master of the forces, and no, he was not a Jedi.